What if the whole world changes its outfit 4 times a year and most people just walk right past it? Not Paige, Abby, and Hobbs. These three are lacing up their boots, packing their curiosity, and hitting the road on the wildest nature adventure of the year. 4 seasons, 4 worlds, one epic journey. Buckle up. First stop, winter, and winter knows how to make an entrance. Cold weather and snow turn the whole world into a snow globe. Paige's breath becomes tiny clouds. Hobbs tries to catch a snowflake on his tongue. Abby has already built a fort. Winter brings the shortest days and longest nights. Stars are bright and the hot cocoa hits different. Some animals hibernate like bears, who just clock out for months. Others, like birds, migrate to warmer places. Frozen ponds, icicles like nature's chandeliers. Silence so thick you can almost hear the snowflakes land. Cold, yes, but quietly magical. Just when you think the world is frozen forever, something starts to wake up. Spring crashes in like nature hit the reset button. Trees and plants burst with new buds as temperatures warm. Animals are born, flowers bloom, and the whole world celebrates being alive again. Paige finds a robin's nest in a low branch. Hobbs discovers a tiny frog with absolutely no fear. Abby counts 17 wildflowers in one meadow. Yes, she actually counted. Mild, rainy weather feeds everything back to life. Rain isn't gloomy. It's the Earth's watering can. Here's a question for you. If you had to pick one season to live in forever, would you choose the cozy wonder of winter or the fresh explosion of spring? Think about it, because up next, things get a whole lot warmer. Summer rolls in like it owns the place, and honestly, it does. The most daylight, the most warmth, the most noise. Bees, butterflies, cicadas, all living their best lives. Paige wades through a cool stream. Hobbs spots a hawk overhead. Abby fills her field journal. Nature turned all the way up. Then, just like that, the palette changes. Fall arrives and turns the world into a painting. Red, orange, gold, every tree is showing off. Hobbs leaps into the biggest leaf pile he can find. Paige watches geese arrow south across the sky. Abby notices the air smells like earth and apples. Fall is nature's grand finale. Dramatic, gorgeous, and a little bittersweet, because the cycle is about to begin again. That's exactly the point. Seasons change because of Earth's tilt. One slow, beautiful lean toward and away from the sun. The world is always moving, always changing, always offering something new if you stop and look. So go outside, be curious, be fearless. Hit subscribe so you never miss the next adventure. We'll see you out there.